Hey YouTube, this is BG showing you my iRobot Roomba that I had originally gotten a blue 405 one, which is a lot less advanced than this one with this. But then after about a month it went defective, so I sent it, well, there it is in its box it still has to ship out. And I got a replacement robot. It's 416, really advanced compared to my old one. It has dirt detect, and it has all the modes on it. Right now, I have it on max mode, because that's to clean this room, that room over there, the dining room, and the kitchen, so there it is on dirt detect now. Yeah. It's really dirty floors, so dirt detect light is always on. Let's see if we can at least try to get some Roomba cam on it. And that did not work. We'll just watch it for a little bit. Anyways, yeah, he's fighting it. He hates that vacuum cleaner. Anyway, bottom line, I would really recommend any model of any Roomba to anybody. These are way better than any form of old vacuuming. Just unstoppable with how great it is. Because vacuums are a lot better than regular vacuums if you just routinely let it clean. So yeah, go get yourself an iRobot Roomba. You can get cheaper ones on eBay, but 400 models are available at Target or iRobot.com. Because if you go to iRobot.com, this exact Roomba, except it's go on iRobot.com and go to the robots for the home and then go to the outlet. That exact version of Roomba, one of the best out there, is in the outlet, which means they're on clearance. They're like only $189 or $79, something like that. But if you're looking for something even better, get a 500 series, maybe a 530, 532, or a 580. It's really good. Come on, get that. Yeah, we'll get back to it. So anyways, just definitely go get it. Oh, pick it up. Oh no, we didn't. Now, I'll do an example. This is like a piece of wood, I think. To be honest, I don't know what it is. Wow. Come on, pick it up. Come on, stupid. There, gone. Done for. Yeah. So yeah, that just wraps up my review on the iRobot Roomba. Yeah.